guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
For all the day, but say more Yahweh is not going to be me. No, because my DNA, on morning by some warrior and Yahweh. Thank you for your own. And so, whatever it's in, all you say, what's in it. All you say, what it's in it. But I'm impossible way. Because of feeling it, I got it. I don't want it. What you want? So, all the other is on it. We are begging to boy, I didn't like it. We are getting the I'm somebody like Melissa, they should team up, why not team up? No, we're here representative. I am on a DNA test. The DNA test is whatever is going to cost. While I will have enough help. While if you have a well, while the tickets here will have been out well, may have a staff for all the day. But say more Yahweh, it's not going to be me. No, because we are not getting on morning by some warrior and Yahweh. Thank you for your help. Let me show whatever it's in it. All you say, what's in it. All you say, what it's in it. The time we have to get out and you remember what you know, all of us, all of say what's in it, impossible way. Because of feeling it, we have to, we don't want it, what you know. So, all the other is on it. You walk on it. We are begging to boy, I didn't like it. We are getting the
Just by people make una share the video, make it go viral. We'll play this one general before we go straight to the topic.
That the cycle not the settle. And then on the cycle, yeah, when my body Monica will give me a fool. All night it's a cycle where you move here and fanoko. And I also know. Every night I'm at the cycle where at the cycle, everyone landed and you see, no, they were mechanic on they were. That the cycle not the settle. And then on the cycle, yeah, when my body Monica will give me a fool. All night it's a cycle where you move here and fanoko. And I also know. Every night I'm at the cycle where at the cycle, everyone landed and you see, no, they were mechanic on they were. That the cycle not the settle. And then on the cycle, yeah, when my body Monica will give me a fool. All night it's a cycle where you move here and fanoko. And I also know. Every night I'm at the cycle where at the cycle, everyone landed and you see, no, they were mechanic on they were.
Anything. We'll go to the state. We'll go to where would they go to. Una good afternoon, my people. Una see this matter when I want to talk so. Una know one man with they call you Wahala do mezedo. Now Monica they talk so. Say if he sleep with her not be new thing. He simply too not be new thing. They picking when he born. When you born for her, J-boy. Wahala come out. He say me go do DNA test. He say he go send people follow body. He say if they go, you not go. Say if he do not go, if fail, make the call. Now see this man waiting for years so. Where did they call him fair bright? Now Wahala platform. Now a platform Wahala for talk. Wahala send a message, say me the team up. Make they find people. We go do DNA test. Because of bribe. Because of bribe. When Monica can go give her money. Monica can go give her money. You know, say every small thing we person they do for this life. We God, where you do for, you don't get problem. You try to do good thing. If you do good thing, the ancestors go to support you for that good things. Where this one for the do good things, he can't do bad things, he can't go to chop bribe for corner. But not anyway, where would they go first? If we they go now, know where they go. More can share the video. The balala the gay. The balala the gay. When I see this one, we not wear shirt. Waiting for this corner, they come Moscow. The time when this domains, they don't matter, they happen. Every second, now this man, they call me. Say you not see the message where Wahala send you now. Domains, they don't send you a message. He say, "Wanna team up." All the old men when you go team up. All the old men will go team up. Some go to carry motor. Some go to chop bribe. Some go to sew agbada. Some go to even they wear monkey coats. I look all of them. No one talk truth for all of them. And this pikin, if they grow, they go. So tell mama can't do video. Monica can't do video. I'll find the video now. He say if pikin, they grow, they go, now they resemble who get am. He say if pikin, they grow, they go, now they resemble to get am. Who they can for the kind of situation when they now wait for 2 men, we not give the owner. He say may better find the root of the pikin, may go get to the pikin. You know, say people waiting for social media. All of them they find money. They know a person they talk, they throw parable. They know because they not be picking with the train for house. Most of the women wey dey for social media now so now actually they can't do what they did for 10 years. Now their mama borrow money. Their mama borrow money for Lapo. The same way that in a bag go borrow money for Lapo. They carry Osaye there, press Osaye there, call Europe, we call the put copyright for everywhere with the thief for other people content now. All artists where they borrow money for Lapo, press Osaye there, they carry call Europe. They borrow money for Lapo, take carry call London. The money now, they say interest. 94 for the money every month, interest. They just say finish here, you go can't do better. It's not no say that people content. Press society, they thief, they go now, go they put copyright. You know, if art, you know, even when he call himself being artist, no be that one will come for. When did bring us come here now this afternoon? When I see the old video when I don't play now, where do they do talk? When I plan for an again, we will start. When I plan for an again. When I don't first, so I go they come, I go they get up. I put yam, I dey roast yam. I dey roast yam for fire. I know the cook and the roaster, now I know that I be village man, we no go school. So all the thing when I take grow for village, all of the seed for my blood, you know they come out. If I don't carry the yam, don't I come scrape and put oil for here. We will take here today, we are stopping, I'll dey chop the yam. Before we go, we'll play this video again. When I see this man, we put neck for, chain for neck, so put for everywhere. So, if they think they know you take, if they do bad thing. But this man, because if the chop bride, because he take if the chop bride. So, when I don't say our papa swear for human traffic, he swear. I don't want to go that side. I don't want to go that side. I don't want to go that side too much. So take this man. When I talk about this DNA test, when this of Moscow come they talk to me. No name where this man not call me. He call me Benga Laba. No name where not call me. All of them waiting for social media. When this man send message, want to play the message for now. Want to play the message for now. Want to play the message for now. Nigga, olha, mona listen.
You know, stand for all the day. But if it's not going to be me. No, because my dad gets DNA. On Monday, by Saporilla, and Yahweh. Thank you for your help. Let me show whatever it's here. All you say, all you say, what's here. All you say, what it's here. But everything happens with
all man for this life, now what they will do? No man they agree, say sleep with woman. No man they agree. Mostly woman waiting for marry the house. Waiting for man house. Woman waiting for man house. All man they deny. As you talk, as only the pikin where they not train for house. I hope the pikin where they not train for house. Asha will they not train for house. Many of the 13 years now their mama go to give them to sponsor her. So they not get brain. They not get brain. Hey, see my love. They not get brain. You know, not see this one waiting for yesterday where they call a fairy bright. Where did they talk this matter? This matter, get where would they go today? No, not say this matter. Person say if I come Nigeria, you go cut my neck. Or I told you no get beg away, wow, hello, where did you my love? A queenie man. I will not supposed to view you while I yakin. Or suppose because here won't your dog. Oh, we are no man understand here. Okay, we are on you, and you want you. Oh, for a no more. You know, see this Moscow waiting for years, so or Moscow. Where this man where you're talking finish of Dumezedo, the time where they talk about this matter. As Dumezedo go this man platform where put a chain for neck, so we put a VA. They say they may take a VA, they do bad thing. But this man, if you don't drink, Kaikai or Gogoro, go pack beat, put for body, go call they make noise for live video. Wait, go call they make noise. So take this one, wait, pull leg for eyes, so Monica, he call they give money. They not feel can talk truth. Person there for a platform. The new man we say the coin, yeah, the person there for a platform. If they tell and say, make the team up, make the join out together, make sure they see the DNA test. But you know go. If he fail, make the color. Make the color. You go do. If you not come that time, what you will know we'll do. As they do that meeting for a fair platform, this on Moscow they call me say Dumezedo tell them. This Moscow now Dumezedo pikin. Church get father. You know say as they take the cash on, either godson, if they want cash woman when they get pikin, they'll take a pikin do godson. You know, for them penetrate enter mama body. If they want to cash woman waiting for husband house, they'll take the woman. I was surprised say woman will get 3 pikin. He get 3 pikin. He go another man go come take and do goddaughter for this Obodo country. You know, not say Dumezedo take Monica do goddaughter. From goddaughter, Mona hear what happen. For goddaughter, Mona hear what happen first before we start. Before we call the talk this one, Mona hear what happen. Mona hear them. What happen?
Disciple not the settle. And then disciple here where my what day Monica will give me a fool. Oh, maybe it's a disciple where you even give me a fan and I also know. And the night I'm a disciple where a disciple everyone landed and you see no day where they come on never.
Woman waiting for husband house. 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 Dumezedo they can do goddaughter. He tell this woman do goddaughter. As you don't take, you know, say all those churches get father, they get ministry when they think they work out. Like on Moscow now. All the old women. He get one woman where I not put for you. I can't put her just now. When you just see them for dance, you just give them back. They'll take this their right hand. Take touch you for a kiyeki. You, even though you did for husband house, now waiting they talk, now they listen to. So come back, come on for their husband house. Godfather, I call they give them. I not say oh, I say oh, now so it take they do goddaughter follow Dumizedo. He wife for house, it is a goddaughter. So they the pikin wey Dumizedo say make they go do DNA test, now make the team up. Some people carry motor for his side. Some people so agbada for his side. Some even beg for I don't want to talk people name, make them not say I don't see start again. But as DNA test, where this man, they do one for a faith platform, this man called tell me for back almost going on where so. He say, Dumizedo tell him. Say now he get the pikin. Say now when you not born, so gets now he born. You just the pain and he to say no. If for claim the pikin that time say the woman when you sleep with we get man pikin, he get husband in with the husband quarrel. As Monica with the husband quarrel, you know say where first way Europe women they do for Europe. In with their husband quarrel, they'll drive and come up for us. They don't drive the man come up for us. Mostly the woman we don't know what he want to do. He want to the fiakara. He no agree make the man quick come house. Some women go drive their husband 2 days, he go come house. The one way one fiakara, 1 month, 2 months, you know go come house. As Monica called drive Abus, 3 months, Abus no come house. And I there, Godfather. Now Godfather, now the pikin called resemble Godfather. The pikin called resemble Godfather, now Godfather say me they go do DNA test. He go this man platform, where say be Benin man. Where say me the team up. Make them make sure say they wallow this pikin. J-boy make them wallow for Monica hands. Make them go do DNA test because social media get power. Our women, our boys, our men, because of money. He said, do what I say. Don't do what I do. He's telling us, say, when kuna wallow this pikin come up for this woman hand, when kuna wallow and come out. This one, when they go a platform, any cow. This one, we hear what our papa swear for Benin. He swear for them. The year where our papa swear, you know the year me right time for year. After 3 months, this one, what did they swear for Benin? This one, he did for the house where they do one. An officer na he they do one. He did for the house where they do the thing where our papa swear for. He said the traditional man, the day where they swear that swear, now that they supposed to drive all those people come up for the house where they stay for. He not drive them. After 3 months, he can't get problem. All of them see the problem today. As the thing they come for Genesis, I they follow the Genesis. Because some of those people where is supposed to drive come up for house. One of my friends, childhood friends, he the friend the some of these people. So that one they give me. The day when they see package this boy for airports. That boy see call me 2 months ago. Now here when I go to talk for live video. One do all pa lagan anyhow. A presenter na pa lagan na go the year no measure and finish. Because the person wey say me our papa word no reach. Even when I went back I say. Emi am royan. You as a traditional man, will they call yourself tradition when you just say our papa swear for something? That very day, now you go sweep all of them come up for house. If they not come out, you come up for the house. But you not put one like that. My country people, with the guy where would they go to there, they explain us small. Not see this man where they call of Moscow, if they call me that period, when they do come talk. Say, I know you're waiting to me, I don't talk. Say, we will team up. Mo team up. Mo take all this speaking for Monica to Ariane. Since 4 years now, if Monica be better woman, is supposed to go bring DNA test. You know, say most of these Benin women, well, most of them, they know they agree they do DNA test too. Because they don't say they saw the leak. They don't say they saw the leak. So the French 5 boys, 6 boys. They no go know the one we give the belle. They will come give one. If the time call this same say come do DNA, they go dey run for DNA. This man wey tell Moscow say, Moscow, see the one when I do, see the one in DJ, see the one when I do. Now Moscow can't leak the secret for me for back. I don't even worry you. Wait till come vex me. Wait till come vex me. Come talk, come out. Now be waiting Moscow do to this woman we pour eyeglass for her. Wait till go do to this woman we pour eyeglass for her. Now I know say me don't know how to record. I know the record. But since 1 year they come now, if I see anybody call me, I will carry my phone. I will put this earphone. I will carry this my phone. I'll take and set live video. Wait till the person they talk. When I not go to hear, wait till me go to talk. The reply when I give the person, I go to listen. That will not be record now. Because maybe tomorrow if you come say one brief story, I'll go bring the video come out. When I see the reply, so the when he call me. When I see the reply when I give, people go really know who be truthful person, who be lie person. That's why they do now. That's why they do my thing now. Maybe person not come say I record down. I know the record, but if you want to pull life from my head, that time I don't get that sense. That time when this thing happen, I don't get that sense. But now when I don't get the sense, now this woman I can't give me sense. This woman can't record all the old record we must go break for her. He can't carry and go another phone, go save her. You know, maybe you know what it will happen. Wait for front. Maybe you know what it will happen for front. When they go small, you can't get one lady way born 3 pikin. Go Moscow. Now goddaughter of Moscow. He take and do goddaughter. You know, say all those check father. Now goddaughter, now they sleep with all those women. Anyone where go fit come and come put on for juju say, this man take and do godfather, he not sleep with her. Or Moscow take and do godfather, he not sleep with her. Make they come and make they come swear, whether they feel swear. Because when they do godfather, if they all get chance, they take this hand, tap your back, you'll be woman. Now wait till they tell you, your husband go to talk to you for us, you not go to hear again. Now wait till they talk, now you go to hear. I can't want something to leave their secret. If you not see them for dance, if you not see all those people for dance, now so the new one way, you know, so all those people will do central now, church get father. So they carry musician, they come now. The medicine where they put for hand now. All those women where they know say they try well for society, for any place where they go. If you just say pardon or you knock you for back like this, all your money, anytime when they come, now then you go to spend them, you go to throw for them, you go to throw for them. The time when you say no, it's too late. The time when the thing will expire for about 5 years, you can't calculate the money where you go to wait for dance. You are go red. I not say money, I know they go dance. So if person want to do birthday, you go. If person want to do burial, do for me, I do for you. Now I be burial. If you come out upon your own. If person want to do marriage, you go. If you want to do, come do your marriage. All those one where they come, they find the central way they do remain. Where disgrace for enter their body long time. The gas system where they take do medicine now. Medicine where they take carry women that and they take carry people for dance. No, not be that one will come for. Not be that one will come for. The one will come for. Now this of Moscow. Now this of Moscow. Una good afternoon. Make una share the video. Now so it can't come me or Moscow can't come me say do mezedo. Now I get that pikin. Say do mezedo tell her. Now say Now say no problem. Since he tell you no problem. But for me, I not go rest for this matter. I go draw this DNA. I go dey draw small. Una know me now as I do my thing. As I dey draw so this a fair bite. We be wayo person. We me know right from time. I see him when I dey talk to them for this social media. He can't get waiting the swear for our time. And he dey answer the Benin name for a platform who year do. As our papa swear, these children dey with them for house. person wey dey answer you dey no drive the comot for the compound. After 6 months, can't get problem. As you get problem, all dates they follow, they come from my hands because some of the way get a problem. So one of my childhood friends, now the friend one of them. You know, see when I will come out for live video, I'll be told say one don't go J, one don't go J, one don't go J. People don't know what they take and they mean. They don't know. I'm not measure person 18. They can't lick on by themselves. You know, gay. Call J. Over here say me watinya very watinya ya tinya ni you feel more yo. Ya bi when go na when ma je school ni ah. E wana dem ahin. E wana dem ahin. Call you. When we must o ma se ni alu when we ni o ma se. Abi do emi wa boil e na you when boil na de magi yo. You know what? Yeah, you know fry. You know fry. You had him win every. You had him winner. You had him win every. You had him win every valuable. If you valuable. You had win a chef. You had win a chef. If a quiet concealer when he asked there. Yeah, no. Yeah, no way. It will maybe car. I will book it. Yeah, well, we will. Everybody vale que diga but I don't know here way for turo the presser get chive again that's when anyone again 8 hours over arriba or we work where 8 hours is enough. But 8 hours babana work ban imege joy and 14 hours ewe na si una de no ala my live video na need about finish na go must go one. Away fancy us it send the video go me. Send the video go me. Imagine what water. Wait, Momoja, we send the video go me. We send the go me our video. Okay, yeah. So my country people are sorry for the tarata. Bona sorry for the tarata when you call your come. Una no say una way go school get una and they call her tarata. Make una sorry for the taranta. So my country people, as we dey talk and they go just now. As I now with the talk and they go just now, some of the people who supposed to drive come up for us as a Benin man. They say forbidden fruit, no feeding for person house. For the way you know say that this thing are forbidden fruit, it will follow you there for house. You they call yourself a doma, and they go come put beat for body. Now I say one no can come out. People come they beg me say one no, one leave on. After 6 months, now so I hear say, now so they have my childhood friend call me. Say the dog packing ammo. After 2 days, they leave on. They come the, you know, so you go they do something. They come pack lawyer, pack everybody. At the all date till the day when they call arrest them 2 months ago. When they call arrest, as they arrest them so 2 months ago. Now so they all call me. Say they say they don't arrest. I say, oh, very sorry. What are you take this one I talk now? Make una dey respect una papa, make una dey respect una mama. Anything with papa, message when it come for papa and Mona take and they do something. Be like new message when you come now, new message when you come from our papa now. New message when it come now. Now this on Monday now I want to start to play the message because I have to know what I did. I'll stop and drop the message for now. He say parable when he true. He say those that have ear, they should listen. Those that not have ear, they should not listen. No me no down me. They say a parable like they talk to a domain. When a domain go get sense. But I'll come play the video tomorrow. So my country people. Now so this when I play the video will make me come here. Back this door for me, bros. When I play the video. When I play the video. When I play the video. When I plan. Bona listen, wetin come concern this Moscow now. When we dey talk about J-boy, this Moscow now they give me information. When I come see her, this woman will wear glass so, we put her glass for eye so, na presenter. I come see her, where he want try to, wetin he do to me to send me the record, or me come talk and comment. Me not the disgrace person. But the person want tell me say, he too sabi na me the disgrace person. If person want tell me say he too know, na me call the disgrace person. I know you call it the disgrace person. This is Moscow when he call the tell me word, I don't even answer. I don't even let people know say na he call the tell me say see what he did, see what he did. I do me say do na I get J-boy with this Monica. I to are born so. I will lock her up. I don't know say if they give this woman information, make they carry man, make they spoil man, make they spoil woman. If they give Mona listen to some of the information. As I can't see the information, get one of our mama blessing waiting for Moscow village. For Paibas or for Spain, it's for Spain, yeah. Moscow they sleep with her. They call her daughter. And they call her goddaughter. And Moscow they sleep with her. So Moscow want disgrace the woman for public. Moscow now not say some of this our domain, they don't sleep with woman. Now social media now they want me they can't tell the world say they sleep with the woman. Una know so many of our domain. If una know about observant, una go the observant, know if our domain. Edo boys, no be Edo men. Edo boys. Edo men when it get sense, they know they try don't know sense. They know saying a very big mistake now that they made for life. Any man will don't do that thing. Woman will just sleep with. You can't tell people as to take sleep with them. Say as to take sleep with them a very mistake. Una fit quarrel, different quarrel for Facebook. Una fit quarrel cause on herself. No problem. Say you just sleep with them. You want to tell the world say you just sleep with them. I could be everything. You know, it's a very big mistake. Now so it happen. Una going to look my video. I know the carry the thought say I sleep with woman. Because no woman don't come my house. I dey respect myself as an adult man. So, una good morning, my country people. I will not here. You have to send the video to me. Adam, you don't see this Moscow. As they tell me, that's okay. I call to do my video. They even bring 2 million. More share and say I'm not going to take money. Not be money with this. So I'm not the chop money. As this man take send message, so do me they don't send message say. Make the whole presenters, all the whole presenters, make the team up. Make the warlord J-boy for Monica hand. Make they go take and do DNA come. The people where they poor are supposed to do one. They're not going to do. No say if man sleep with woman, they know they agree. Only we are going to for call agree. I be that DNA test. And man of only Monica agree say sleep with her. Monica agree. Say to me, they don't sleep with her. When I plan for her before I go the topic. When I plan for her. Monica agree, but the man, when the man want agree, he say me they go do DNA test. He go talk for the man platform, FA platform I for talk. FA platform I for talk, he say me they go do DNA test. Some people way before one hour na think say na be better people for country. They can go closer. Some go carry motor. Some take money. Some take different things. me will not take anything. I may be bad person. I may be bad person today, but we must see this DNA test. Monica will bring this DNA test. He go give her. Oh no. For 4 years now. Now we dey draw this DNA test. He no gree bring am. Mokuna listen. Monica agree say he sleep with this man. He say if he sleep with her, whether na new thing. But the man, you know say man, responsible man, wey no say na bad thing, no dey agree because he know say Monica dey for husband house. He see date today. Only the best way we go take solve the matter. Go say me they go do DNA test. Oyibo no sabi do wayo. He say make biology, ambush follow this pikin go do DNA test. If he fail, make the call am. He go come do his own. And Monica come do video say, where all those presenters they chop money, they chop bribe. Monica don't know say this man will come be big man. It is say no. You know say Anya may tell no say mama bed no the tell person waiting go see for front. It is say Monica no the time we give this where Monica carry belle for this man. Monica for not go back to your husband. That time they come for life. Now you know say a day can change a man. A day can change a man. So tell Monica the whole secret where Monica keep for her. Now so called they come out for inside now. Waiting make this one come out because make the man. Make people for know, not be say it's time don't come. Monica will come tell you say all of una not know say na this man get this pikin. All of una not know say this man I get this pikin. The time where this man say me they go do DNA. Not be all of una come dey chop bribe. When I don't let people say the truth. I know Monica. If una don't know her. I know Monica because they pay Monica for body now. If you say no, say this man will come be big man for Edo State. Monica for not carry pikin give am booze. Maybe today it go be second wife. Maybe today na go be second wife. But only the way we go take carry pikin go give this man and I be DNA test. Where this man can't tell us say make they go be DNA test. If he fail, you go come carry you. I know the cost of good for you. I know the cause of good for you, not put bad comment for you. You see, say I cause anybody. Not be message where they say, I did explain. Now, wow. Who can you hear comment they put for them? Who can you hear comment? Now, what did they? You just say I cause of good for you. You just say I cause somebody for you. Not be waiting up while they explain to the world. Mona, leave me alone. More to go. More to go. More to go. More play this one. When you make me this matter come concern me again. My country people. This one where they come Moscow, where no wear share so. Where they take militia, they carry all women for dance. Both women waiting for husband house. Where the doctor this and touch them for back. So they do one where they shake all those women. Why should they touch them for back? Even the day for husband house. Now waiting they talk. Now the woman go they listen to. If you dey for husband, the woman will find where to drag the husband come up for house. Small time they'll come quarrel, go come drive on. They'll start again and go. If you not go look at the old women way bought for Moscow, you not go check and where now marriage house now all of them for comments. Marriage house now all of them for the comments. They don't know Moscow before you with their husband they quarrel. They don't know Moscow before you with their husband they quarrel. But anyway, not be that one I come for now. The one when I come for, as you take this month, I take they come. Moscow, tell me say, do Mezedo. Mo play this audio. Mo play this audio. Mo na listen.
Then you forward them more information. We can gather up our question one. Because we are someone, me myself, I'll be on life with you. And we can have a here. The name of the church, Divine Trust Fire Ministry, Victoria, Alaba. The name of the pastor, honorary pastor, the good pastor, honorary pastor, Esewi, Divine Trust. The church there, area de Boulevard. I mean, on my own time, yes. Very so Boulevard Hotel. the polygon on river. Yeti chat. Wow, my baby Jesu. We are more blue.
Una the listener. As this woman will pour a glass for her own presenter, Moscow go the gain information. Make go the 4 man down, make go the 4 woman down. Nobody knows in Moscow. Me say, as in a Papa Wahala friend, as he come to tell me, Papa Wahala matter. Say, now the good one, now the fan for Papa Wahala. I don't know say, this boy na traitor. This Moscow na traitor. Wey dey bite everybody. I want to explain for man and woman. Man and woman wey dey wey be friend. Mona be careful. Mona be careful of this Moscow. Mona be careful. Some of the friends like Ukpomokpa wey be musician. I know as it take man spoil them for me. But anyway, now the one way if you read their matter say come. I'll call explain everything finish. But the one way come now, and I do the way they can tell me. Now I come verse, come out for a side, I say, now so you still do this thing, this information now, this audios now more than 30. Wait they send go they give this woman we pour a glass for her, wait till the spoiled man, wait till the spoiled woman. Now as I see for a side, you can now call this man transfer all of the call for me. Now they come tell and say, now so you still do this thing. We do me say me Monica, me team up, me draw Monica, me carry the boy, me go do DNA test. Now so you can't tell me that time. Me no record, I no record, I know the talk, I no record Moscow. But the information when you give this woman now, when you give this woman, in voice and go give this woman, is even call her for some. This woman record and some of the information. Now I go the plan for her every day now. I don't get time for her. But what you can't make me call this matter. Well, some people say this matter don't finish. Moscow can come and say, make me buy ticket. Move they go Benin, say finish house. He go cut my neck. He go take and they drink water. Say he get group for Edo State where they cut people neck. I wanna know say for Sada Benin. Many people don't buy where they cut their neck. You know, they say now a group. Now they cut these people neck. Someone buy ticket, one go Benin. Since when he talk this matter, don't go 4 months. Me don't call him. I don't call him for phone. You know they carry my phone. Me bring money for me. I take buy tickets. Me you go cut my neck. Me take and they drink water. Moscow they run they go. But I say when I call they remember I say me no worry. Me big we not go school. He get group. Me no get group. He say Nigeria police not get law. He say they not fit do anything. So me come they tell and say. Since he dear me will go ask. Me say me will buy ticket. Maybe if we buy ticket together, maybe they know if we know they not hold for Benin Airport, they hold for Abuja Airport. If they not hold for Lagos Airport, they go hold for one of these 3 airports. When he want come down. He say Nigeria police, they don't know work. He say they don't know law. All of the day for year. One plan. Only the Nigeria police when I don't forward this video, go give. When I don't forward and go give the year for his side, he say Nigeria police don't get work, they don't get level. He everything for his side is audio. And Nigeria police don't tell me now, say he pitch or don't for all airport for Benin, for Lagos, Abuja. Anytime when they come out, they call Nigeria, they will hold on for there. The people who don't cut the neck with the group, they can't confess. Now I say one can't they tell them. Now I say one can't they tell them because Nigeria police. They say I'm saying the truth. I dey tell them. Because now he go to give people information when they take blackmail people. All those kind of people, they dey for group. They dey for group. Now so they go to talk life for inside the group. They go to cause fight for the group people. You see, all of them go to cut their neck away. This kind of Moscow. When I share this video, I want to start to all those people when they get a day for group. Una God know this Moscow, say, now so they Now say they do and one call disgrace for una mona for no. Make una not the power on self again, make una not the fight on self again. You will carry this one head, you go take now this one. You go carry this one head, you go take now this one. So all the friends don't run for her. The one we get sense, they can't know say na traitor, they can't run for her. Even self, Dumezedo don't run for her. Dumezedo no they carry a phone. He don't run for her. Wait till confess me for SI now. He said, because me they talk say I not go school for live video. He not say person will not go school. He get people where they look out to and where they guide them. He don't know. It is saying because he go school or he know how to read. He say he might not come my papa land again say if I come. Say he go cut my neck. He can go take and drink water. You don't say if I tell these people the truth. Like one woman will go sleep with Orowa. Will go sleep with Orowa. I they talk the truth, they come out. Many presenters, where they know it's true for their matter, they block. But as times go on, many presenters can't see the light, it can't clear for their eye. So they'll carry me, they'll say, if I call Nigeria, EBS go carry me, say I go thief. They go, they put different life on my head. If I catch them for battery, I want to talk to them, they'll call the first person where they want to insult one for not talk again. If I catch them for something, I want to talk and come out, they'll carry thief my page. They go thief my page. Make my voice not go viral. But anyway, I go suffer the talk and small. Not be small to my country people. The one way they pay me for SI now. Me no Moscow where he dey. Me una every tell me bring money when I take buy tickets. Me bring money when I take buy tickets. Me go cut my neck. Me take and drink water. Me will listen to the video. I don't want to much play all of them now. Maybe we'll come back. My yam. I want to go look my yam. My yam don't done. I the roast yam. If you don't done, we'll come back. We'll come get that eat. And I know say I be village man. I come for village. I know they deny my home. The time with the same when I go school, I go just set fire. I go put yam for fire. I go turn. I go come down. I come scrape on. Take all your the chopper. Like the kind one I want chop now for Europe. Maybe I'll come back. We'll come chop the yam together. But we could go come Moscow. Muna tell and say me attend here today. Mo no Moscow me help me tell and me bring money 1,200 KLN. If I don't buy the ticket, I'll come tell you the date when I buy the ticket put. The date when I buy the ticket put, me if buy home, me come cut my neck. One not cut all the truth. Wait till you tell me, say to me, don't I get your boy. One not cut talk. I for not cut talk more. People for not hear from my mouth for 100 years. People for not hear. People for not hear from my mouth for 100 years old. Moscow. Now what you can do to this woman when they go to get information? More plan.
You know, you forward them more information. Make it gather up our case on one. Because we are someone, me myself, I'll be alive with you. I make it out here.
Okay. What here?
The name of the church, Divine Trust Fire Ministry, Victoria, Alaba. The name of the pastor, honorary pastor, the good pastor, honorary pastor, Esewi, Divine Trust. The church is there, area of Boulevard. I mean, on my own time, yes. Very close to Boulevard Hotel. The police go on the river. He go tell you, man, he go give her information, he go tell us what to talk about.
All right, what good things we were breaking with. All right, I went to the board dress. Jago, how you take me? When what you take me? Now,
he go give the woman information, he go tell us, he go take talk. If the woman there for life, he go there for the go write for comment section with fake accounts. He go write for comment section with fake accounts. They go spoil everywhere. You go call the right the one way people go follow. As the woman you the enter line, the one way you not tell the woman you call the writer for comment section. The that when I talk to Dumezedo, you know they see some comments where they come out from my platform with fake account, almost any fake account when they get. Where they take the right something from my account, when I go to observe them. If you see some of this video, when I go look at, now get that fake account. But my people, more hold on for your first one, go roast for we they come back again.